You have hundreds, thousands, even millions of assets that you manage on a daily basis. Each one of those assets are producing a massive amount of data from a variety of systems. If you aren't capturing and analyzing that data properly, you might be facing unplanned equipment failures, health and safety hazards, and skyrocketing maintenance expenses. You need an optimized, reliable, and scalable way to figure out what all that data means, which information is key to the health of your assets, and which assets and systems are most critical to your business. Most importantly, you need an experienced team to help you implement the right strategy to reduce downtime, minimize maintenance costs, and mitigate risk around safety. Turnkey IoT featuring Predix Asset Performance Management from GE Digital and Deloitte Digital will allow you to bring all your asset data together into a single dynamic system with context, aggregating information from spreadsheets, ERP, EAM, and historian systems. By connecting dozens of systems, you'll be able to strategically plan and enhance the lifecycle and maintenance processes for critical assets, allowing you to focus on proactive and predictive strategies where it matters most. Predix APM incorporates digital twin technology and predictive maintenance into an overall asset management strategy, offering clients the tools to strategically balance the cost of a maintenance plan against the potential cost of asset failure through asset criticality analysis, failure mode and effects analysis, reliability-centered maintenance analysis, digital twin technology, and scenario planning of anticipated failure rates and mitigation costs. We're working closely with the largest industrial companies in the world with sustainable results, including reduced reactive maintenance by 10 to 40%, improved employee productivity by 5 to 25%, and improved asset availability by 2 to 6%. What's more, our turnkey IoT solution can help accelerate time to value for our clients in weeks rather than months. Imagine all the potential benefits turnkey IoT featuring asset performance management could provide your company, like monitoring the health of your manufacturing environment more accurately, consistently, and efficiently, discovering potential system failures before they happen, boosting your bottom line by improving equipment performance, and being able to use insights from your manufacturing systems to accelerate time to market windows. Think big, start small, and scale fast with Turnkey IoT featuring Asset Performance Management from Deloitte Digital.